Civil services preparation just got smarter with maps on self-study. Experience highly interactive maps, your first step to long-term visual learning. Whether it's protected areas in environment and ecology like tiger reserves and national parks, empires and kingdoms with their rulers in history, or India's international relations, or subject-specific current affairs and geological features, everything comes alive with interactive maps. Self-study maps, the first of its kind for civil service aspirants, because when you see it, you remember it. Anyone, anytime, anywhere.
The 16th International Renewable Energy Agency Assembly in Abu Dhabi ended with a sharp message: speed up the global renewable energy transition. IRENA also released Renewable Energy and Jobs Annual Review 2025 with the International Labour Organization, showing renewables are not just cleaner, they're a jobs engine. In 2024 data, global renewable energy employment hit 16.6 million jobs, and solar photovoltaic (PV) leads the pack. India has 1.3 million renewable energy jobs, about 7.7% of the global total. In PV module manufacturing, India holds 4.8% share, led by Gujarat, 42%, then Tamil Nadu, 11%. IRENA, founded in 2009, based in Masdar City, Abu Dhabi, guides countries with policy and technical support and tracks UAE Consensus Renewable Goals from COP28, Conference of the Parties 28.